Quality measurement in world-class manufacturing. 1. Quality measurement in WCM involves the systematic evaluation of product and process characteristics to ensure adherence to established standards and customer requirements. 2. It encompasses various metrics, such as defect rates, customer satisfaction ratings, on-time delivery performance, and process capability indices, to assess quality performance. 3. Quality measurement involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. 4. It includes both internal and external quality measures, considering factors such as product functionality, reliability, durability, and conformance to specifications. 5. Quality measurement involves the use of tools and techniques, such as statistical process control, SCK, Six Sigma methodology, and quality audits, to monitor and verify quality levels. 6. It emphasizes the importance of prevention and proactive measures to minimize defects, reduce waste, and improve overall product and process quality. 7. Quality measurement includes the establishment of quality standards, guidelines, and procedures to ensure consistency and uniformity in quality evaluation. 8. It involves the development and implementation of quality management systems, such as ISO 9001, to ensure a structured approach to quality measurement and improvement. 9. Quality measurement considers the voice of the customer through feedback mechanisms, surveys, and market research to capture customer perceptions and expectations. 10. It involves the use of advanced measurement techniques, such as coordinate measuring machines, CMM, non-destructive testing, NDT, and statistical analysis, to assess product quality. 11. Quality measurement includes the identification and tracking of key performance indicators, KPIs, related to quality, enabling organizations to monitor progress and take corrective actions as necessary. 12. It encompasses the assessment of supplier quality to ensure that incoming materials and components meet the required specifications and quality standards. 13. Quality measurement involves the involvement and engagement of employees at all levels, promoting a culture of quality consciousness and continuous improvement. 14. It considers the integration of quality measures into the entire value chain, from supplier management to customer satisfaction, to ensure end-to-end quality performance. 15. Quality measurement includes the use of quality control tools, such as control charts, Pareto analysis, and cause and effect diagrams, to identify and address root causes of quality issues. 16. It incorporates the concept of zero defects and right first time approaches, aiming for excellence in product quality and minimizing rework or corrective actions. 17. Quality measurement involves the establishment of quality improvement teams in cross-functional collaboration to address quality challenges and implement corrective and preventive actions. 18. It considers the use of customer feedback and complaints as valuable sources of information to drive quality improvement initiatives. 19. Quality measurement includes the documentation and communication of quality performance results, enabling transparency and accountability within the organization. 20. It emphasizes the continuous monitoring and review of quality measurement processes to adapt to changing customer needs, market dynamics, and technological advancements.